Question 35 is, if heat pumps are expensive, is there a grant to help? And the good news is there is a grant. There has been one for quite a long time. So there used to be an old scheme called the RHI that ended in the spring of 2022 when it was replaced by a scheme called the BUS, or the Boiler Upgrade Scheme. So the BUS scheme is very, very simple. Essentially what happens is, if you are replacing your fossil fuel boiler with a renewable technology, in our case a heat pump, and the boiler is completely removed and disposed of, then you are eligible for a grant of £5,000. This is paid to your installer. So what happens is, when you get your quote from your installer, there will be the full price, and then there will be a second line saying the price including the voucher. The beauty of the BUS scheme is that you, the homeowner, don't have to get involved in the administration and so on. This is all done by the installer themselves. They are the people who get the money, so that they are paid half by you and half by the government.